Hi, hello. Today I show you what we have in OpenMES in version 0.12.0, and we started from admin dashboard. Here we have a summary of your production. Here we have information about progress in orders. The second widget we have OEE overview. This is a simple show productivity on your lines. Next one widget, we have an inbound quality control overview. This is a summary of few quality control tests on your production lines, and of course materials overview, where we see how many materials we spent to production, and issues on production lines and recent work orders. The next part of this program, we have a schedule tab. Here we can schedule your production using drag and drop function to schedule orders in production line per week, per day, per hour, per month. Of course, we jump a few weeks and we can schedule all your production here. Okay. The most important for you is production type, I think, because here we can explain how to create your product. Here we have a few examples products like baseball cap, beanie hat and others, but focus on the baseball cap. Here we have what is it, units to production, and of course important process templates. And here we have step by step what we should do to create that product. We can add it other step, we can change step, and this is full instruction for operator how to create this product. For product, we have a bill of materials where you can set how many materials someone should spend for create that product. This is very good for statistics about how many materials we spend for few pieces of that product. Okay. The next interesting tab is production lines. And here we have a production lines definition, because of course you know in production line we should or we have a few workstations, and this place you can definition these workstations and all production line. And here we have a summary how many orders this production line should produce. Line status, here you can add a custom status, but by default we have a free to do in progress and done. This part you can assign it product type, because you can set only this production line can produce this product, and here you can add it and manage your workstations. Of course, assign operators because maybe you want only few operators can have access to this production line. Here you can set up your shifts, and of course you saw on the schedule we have a few shifts, and you can set up these orders for few ships to create. And I think that's all for the first material. Thank you, and see you the next one.